This is financial reporting paper and financial reporting and analysis of 7th December 2022. And the first question, in the context of financial asset and financial liabilities, provide an overview of what comprises a financial asset and a financial liability. With reference to the measurement and recognition of financial assets, recommend guidance to prepare us of financial statements who reclassify financial assets under the following categories. Reclassification of financial asset out of the amortized cost measurement category add into the face value through profit or loss measurement category. Reclassification of financial asset out of the amortized cost measurement category and into the fair value through other comprehensive income measurement category. With reference to International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS 11 joint arrangements, summarize two characteristics of a joint arrangement. Describe the two types of joint arrangements. Explain the salient provisions on what a joint operator recognizes in relation to its interest in a joint operation. With reference to International Public Sector Accounting Standard IPSAS 19, provision contingent liability and contingent assets, distinguish between provisions and contingent liabilities, summarize the circumstance for recognition of a provision, indicate the accounting treatment for contingent liabilities and contingent assets. Question 2. Question 2. Required, prepare the following financial statement for Malula Cooperative Society Limited for the year ended 31st December 2021. Safi Blood marketing account showing the profit or loss. Mzuri Blood marketing account showing the profit or loss. Statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st December 2021. Statement of financial position as at 31st December 2021. Question 3. Calculate the goodwill arising on the acquisition of S Limited, consolidated statement of profit or loss for H Group for the year ended 30th September 2022. Note, all workings should be done to the nearest shillings thousand. B. Required, explain with suitable calculation the accounting treatment of interest on cost on the loan note in the financial statement of Sayari Limited for the year ended 1st December 2021 in accordance with International Accounting Standard IAS 23 borrowing costs. Citing 6. Ratio analysis has over time proven to be a useful financial tool for decision making. However, reliance on ratios for decision making has inherent limitations. Required, citing 6 limitations, justify the above statement. Then part B, calculate for each year two ratios for each of the following user group which are of particular significance to them: shareholders, trade payables, international management. Comment on the changes between the 2 years as a reflection in the ratio calculated in B above. And finally, question 5. Required a statement of cash flow for Malum Limited for the year ended 30th April 2022 using the indirect method in accordance with International Accounting Standard IAS 7 Statement of Cash Flows. So let us go to the answers. This is the answer to the first question, the theoretical question, the suggested answer. Then question 2, we have the marketing account for Safi Blood, and that is part A, and part B, the marketing account for Mzuri Blood, and then from there we have the statement of profit or loss for the year ended that 1st December 2021 of Malula Cooperative Society, and we have working one of the appropriation account, and then D, we have the statement of financial position of Malula Cooperative Society, and question 3, the calculation of the goodwill on acquisition of S Limited, and number 2, the consolidated statement of profit or loss for the year ended that is September 2022 for H group, and we have the workings. Then B, then question 4, a limitation of ratios and explanation. Then part B, part C, uh, comment on the changes. And finally, we have question 5, the statement of cash flow of Malum Limited. And the workings for that statement of cash flow. These are the working 2, working 3, working 4, working 5, working 6. Yeah, so they are up to working 6. So you can use those answers for revision.